MindMap Wizard is a platform that allows you to generate mind maps from any topic or any YouTube video. Now, this combines two things I'm really a massive fan of, which are AI and mind maps. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put in the link to a podcast I did recently with a good friend of mine called Marek, who runs One Mars Media. You should definitely check that out. I'm going to click on here, and then I'm going to paste the link to the YouTube video, and then I'm going to click enter. Okay, amazing stuff. So as you can see, we spoke a lot about AI and creativity, and we've just got this quick mind map that's been generated here. So it starts off with the future of AI and creative industries, AI's impact on society, personal branding, creative AI consulting, business growth and adaptation, and future opportunities as well. Okay, cool. So now you've got this here, you can actually start doing some research, or what you could even do is you could screenshot this and then put it into a large language model and actually use this to create a new sort of output, whether that's a visual output, a text output, or even a video, to try and essentially encompass these themes. Now, I think the best thing about this technology is that it allows different mediums to be translated. So let's say there's a video that you're actually looking to watch, and first of all, you're not sure if you want to watch it. You can just copy and paste the link, put it in here, see what the key topics are. Let's say it is something you want to explore, but you don't necessarily want to consume it in a podcast version. You can actually start reading some things about it. So you can take a screenshot of this, upload this into a large language model like Claude or ChatGPT, and then begin breaking down and understanding the information that was actually discussed in this podcast. So the key thing to remember here is that this technology allows us to actually manipulate information in ways that make it much easier to consume, not just for yourself, but also for anyone you wish to share it with. Now, you can also click on these nodes if you actually want to get rid of some parts that have been expanded over here, just like this. And we've got a few options here. Here, you'll be able to see the number of hashtags. This is a representation of how deep the concept goes within the mind map. Cool, so I'm just going to expand this back up here. Cool, so I've just expanded this again. And what you can do is you can actually share this with anyone as well. You can regenerate it if you want. You can download it, or you can go on full screen. And the key thing with this platform is that you can easily incorporate it into a wider workflow that allows you to distill information into manageable chunks for dissemination or for personal consumption. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.